Welcome back. In this video I'll be solving Leetcode problem 1422, maximum score after splitting a string. It's an easy. So given a string S of zeros and ones, return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substrings. An example, I have substring and write substring. So number of zeros in left one and number of ones in the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so constraints are S is between 2 and 500. The string S consists of characters. Okay, this seems straightforward. So let's dive in. First, we can check what's the, let's say, total, which will be sum of int of I for I in S. So if it's 1, it will sum it up. And we can have result, which will be equal to so total, but we have to consider if, so we have to have two substrings, and we need to check if the one on the, if the left substring consists of 1. So left substring, let's say, is of length 1, and right substring is the rest. So we'll divide total, we'll subtract from total, but if it's 1, then we have to, okay, total maybe plus 1, yeah, plus 1 minus 2 times int of S of 0. So if it's 0, it will add 1. If it's 1, it will decrease it. So now we solve this part, and let's check the other side. So the rest. So we have to also be careful about the last number. So we'll go for I in range length of let's remove this total. Excuse me. So for I in range, we need to go from index 1 till index S, but we will skip, or maybe S minus 1, so we don't skip. And so let's current is res, and current, let's make it plus equal 1 minus the same thing, but this time it will be I, and res is equal to maximum of res and current. Okay, and last thing we have to take care of is, or that's actually it. Yeah, it seems it's all. Let's just return res and try it out. So it's accepted and it works. Okay, let's check time and space complexity. Time complexity, space complexity. So for the space complexity, it's of 1 because we just have few variables. And for the time complexity, we go through all elements of input, so off and okay. Pretty short one. I hope everything was clear. If you have any question, leave them in comments. I wish you all happy new year and a lot of success in the next one, and I hope I see you in my next video. Thank you for following.